Hello. It is now January 14th. We have less than 3 weeks until we leave. We took everything out of our storage unit at our apartment complex and put it in our new storage unit. And then we returned the keys for our storage unit here so we could stop paying for that. Went and bought boxes. I packed almost all of the books. I took down those curtains, as y'all saw. And putting those blinds up was actually so much easier than I expected. Taking them down was a lot harder. And then I'm hoping tomorrow Alex after work will be able to help me take some more boxes over to the storage unit because I don't want to leave all the boxes to the end where we're gonna have like 2 days of making trips back and forth constantly, and it's gonna be like really difficult. So I'm trying to make it to where we can take just like one trip to the storage unit every single day. So I will continue packing tomorrow and every other day probably for the next week. So Alex's parents come to visit us on Sunday. So I want to get a lot done before they get here, and then they leave on Wednesday. And Friday afternoon, we're driving to Austin. Then after we come back from Austin, we have less than a week here. So I need to try to get a lot done this week. Most of our to-do list is pretty done. It's really just packing and moving and trying to figure out what we're going to bring with us. What else? We have like a few things we need to cancel, like our phone plans we need to cancel, but that's easy. That's my whole update for today. We'll get back to it tomorrow. Yeah. Good night. Okay, it is the next day. I just got so much done. So I took everything off of the walls just now. All the walls are empty. I also went around and got all of like our little knickknacks. They are all sitting here ready to be packed. I'm not gonna do that right now because I need to like wrap all of them up in paper, and I just wanted to get like as much done as I could really quickly, and that's going to take a long time to do. So right now I have quite a few just like half-packed boxes because they can't really be closed up yet. And I have like all of our linens, blankets, extra towels. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like too full to close right now. My great grandma made this, so I'm gonna put this in a space bag just so it can stay extra safe. I also have some throw pillows that I washed that are still drying that I'm gonna put in here once they're dry, because that would be very bad if they were damp, and I had them in storage for a year. So I have all of these books, the ones that are standing up. Those are all books that I have like on my to read list. Like these are books I haven't read yet. I'm trying to decide how many books that I haven't read yet I should bring, if any at all. I might just bring, like, I have this Anna Karenina, which is like my longest book that I have to read, and I might just bring that because it's gonna take me a long time. But I also have a little Nook, like a e-reader. I might just bring that. And then these are like, I have some, like a logic problems book. I have a Sudoku book. These are all my German books, like my German studying books, that I don't know if I'm gonna bring those or not. I would like to do that over the next year, but it also takes up room. This is all donations. These are my boxes that are packed of books. This is all the artwork I just took off the walls. That's it. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm kind of at a point where I'm like, I don't know what to do. So, yeah. Yeah, that's it. So I feel like I got a lot done today, but I'm gonna keep going because Alex has a really long day at work today, and I'd like to get as much done as I can before he comes home, so he doesn't have to do as much. He only has like 4 shifts left at work, and I'm so excited for him to be done. Okay, I've been blabbing on for so long. My mind is racing a mile a minute. I've honestly been having trouble sleeping because at night I just like lay in bed and think about all the things we need to do and all the things that could go wrong with our move and like things I'm excited about, and yeah, my mind has just been going a mile a minute, and it probably will continue to do so until we arrive at our Airbnb in Lithuania. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna sit down and take a break for a few minutes, and I'm gonna watch some TV. Be back at y'all later with more updates. Yeah, okay, farewell.
It's the most tremendous new musical experience you can have.
Today's Sunday. Today's exactly 2 weeks before we leave, and we are packing because it's Alex's day off, and we're gonna take one more trip to the storage place, and then Alex's parents come tonight to visit for the next 3 days. So this is our third trip to the storage unit. We actually have a lot of the stuff packed. All that we have left to pack is clothes, kitchen, bathroom. We got some kitchen stuff, and we're not really packing very many clothes because we're getting rid of what we're not bringing for the most part. That's it, right? Yeah.
Your audience must be impressed or you're wasting your breath.
Good morning. We have 10 days today until we leave for Lithuania, and Alex is in like getting shit done mood today. So right now he's been taking trips to take like the small furniture that we can fit in our car and some boxes. He walked in the door and I didn't want to look like I hadn't been doing anything because I hadn't. I mean, I had been doing something. Okay, anyways, we're getting stuff done today. This is basically everything that was still left in the kitchen from yesterday that I'm going to pack right now. Everything is pretty much empty, and we really only have out like what we need. So we have like one bowl / plate each. We each have like 2 spoons, 2 forks, 2 knives. So everything is pretty much put away. I just need to do these dishes. And we also haven't cleaned out under this cabinet. This is all of our cleaning supplies because of course we still need that. All we have left is this stuff, and I'm sure Alex will probably take that chair too. I'm taking a chicken nugget break. If y'all don't know, I'm a vegetarian, so these are like these fake chicken nuggets. These, you can buy like a giant pack of them at the store. And I don't think that they have them in Lithuania, so I'm really sad about that because I eat these like every other day. With some delicious honey mustard. So Alex has taken like, I don't even know how many trips to the storage unit today. So I have, this is like stuff that needs to be dealt with, stuff that we're taking with us, stuff that I'm donating. Then we have like all of our blankets. I need to put another one in there after I finish washing it and then suck the air out of it. It's a space bag. And then in here I've gathered up a lot of stuff that needs to be packed still. Those are just packing supplies, but I need to pack all of this stuff. These are some empty boxes I'm gonna use, and then I need to pack these few things, those things. Kitchen is pretty much empty except for what we're using. This room is super, super empty. I have to work in like 2 hours. So I'm gonna take a break, and I'm going to, I have some photos that I need to put into a photo album. So I'm just gonna do that while I watch TV. It is so much later right now. I just got done working a little while ago. It's like 9 p.m. Alex is out with some of his coworkers that he wanted to hang out with before we leave, and I was really tired before I had to teach, and so I drank some coffee, and now I'm like, okay, I'm ready to like get stuff done. So I'm gonna wash the dishes, and then we're gonna try to do some more packing. I need to take my pills. Tomorrow morning, we have to take the cats to the vet for their appointment. So I have one class at 5:30. Then at 7:30, we have to give them their whatever sleepy medication because we're testing it out. And then at 9:30, we go to the vet. 3 or so, we're gonna leave to go to Austin for the weekend. So in between all of that tomorrow, I need to put my car up for sale. We need to do some more moving and packing. Yeah, we're gonna try to get as much done as humanly possible tomorrow. So I'm hoping Alex doesn't stay out too late with his friends because I want him to be awake to get some stuff done tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna do this now. Goodbye. It's really hot. It's 80 degrees in Texas right now. It literally snowed last week. So I don't know what's going on. Look how cute she is. Hey, girl. Is the curtain your blanket?